Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to get your second phone number in Skype. Open Skype App. Go to the left side panel. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Select Account and Profile from the left side list. Go to Skype Number on the right side of the window. Click on Get. You will be redirected to a web page. Select the country that you need from the list. You will receive a phone number. Click on Continue. Choose your billing period. You can pay monthly, every 3 months, or every 12 months. Click on Continue. Select your payment method. You can pay with debit or credit card, Google Pay, PayPal. Set up your payment method and click on Pay Now to complete the purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!